Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, we'll be using my square extra short soft gel full nail covers. As always, these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop and the link to them are down below. But I'm just going in and sizing them out and making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. For the nail look today, we're going for a really like trendy, I guess, a nail look. We're doing some chrome nails. So I'm super excited to show you guys my super easy process to achieve the perfect chrome nail. So for adhesion, we're using, as always, my solid nail tip glue gel. This product is also available for purchase in my Etsy shop and the link is down below. Just going in though and scooping, literally taking the full nail cover, scooping a pea-sized amount, pressing it onto my nail and going on to the next nail. It's quite literally that easy. As you can see, if any of the excess squeezes out around the edges or cuticles, I'm just removing that with my other hand, my fingernail, before curing. You do want to make sure that you at least do that because it just helps make the whole process easier than trying to remove after it's fully hardened. So as you can see, I'm going in doing multiple nails at once, and I really like doing it this way because it helps eliminate the amount of time my hand is in and out of the UV lamp. Especially if you do your nails often like me, it's really important to minimize the time that your hand is in the UV lamp. And with this method, since the adhesion is crystal clear, it cures very, very fast. Honestly, it almost fully cures within like 40 seconds. I typically leave it in for about a minute to a minute and 30 to be on the safe side. And I do my 4 fingers, and I always cure my thumbs separately. Alright, so before we start the design, you want to make sure that you're shaping up your nails and making them as flush as possible to the cuticle. So in order to achieve that, I'm going in with this Model 1's drill bit. This is like a ballpoint drill bit, and I'm just going in around my cuticles and really smoothing it out and really making the full nail cover blend with my natural nail and make it look like it's really flush to my cuticle and just one cohesive nail. And I really recommend not skipping this step. If you're in a rush, you can definitely go without it, but this really helps you get that seamless blend. And my nail file is actually a 2-in-1 nail file. This is the MelodySusie drill bit and LED UV lamp. I love it. I've had it for almost 3 years now, and it's been nothing but great. Next, I'm going in with an 80/80 grit nail file. This one I purchased off of Amazon. Honestly, since these soft gel full nail covers are fully shaped for you, this whole process is super quick. You're really just perfecting how you prefer your corners or edges of your nails. I like a really square look, so I'm just going in and making sure that the tops of my nails are like perfect squares. That's what takes the longest with this shaping process, so because they're pre-shaped already, done for you. So if you prefer rounded edges or more square edges and sharp edges like I do, you're really just going in and perfecting that. Okay, so now we're going to get into how to get the perfect chrome. You're going to need a black gel polish, of course some chrome powder, and this works with any color, and a no wipe top coat. So as you can see, the pinky is what you don't want to do if you do the wrong method. I just want to show you guys the comparison because you can very much use chrome powder wrong. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use my ring finger here, how to get that perfect chrome nail, because it can be tricky to achieve if you don't have the right products. That's why for this you definitely need a black gel polish, and you definitely need a no wipe top coat. So all I'm doing is going in first with the black gel polish, and I'm just doing a quick coat of that. You want to choose a black gel polish that's really high quality, really opaque, because you really only want to do one layer. You don't want to bulk up your nail since you already are doing a layer of no wipe top coat and a layer of chrome. So this one by Beetles is perfect. So after you apply that, I did not go in and wipe my nails down. I'm going straight in with the no wipe top coat and doing a layer of that. You want to make sure that this no wipe top coat is hitting every corner, the whole surface area of the black, because if it doesn't, when you go to rub your chrome powder on, the black is going to peep through. So you want to make sure that you are fully topping off your nails with this no wipe top coat. Okay, now for the fun part. I do not go in and wipe your nails. Just go in with your chrome powder and get straight to rubbing. I was like paused there for a second. That was odd, but just go straight in after curing and you just want to rub that chrome powder in. And as you can see, that's going to give you the best metallic, chrome look that you want to go for. So if you were to wipe down the layer of that no wipe top coat, or if you were to wipe down and just apply the chrome powder right on top of the black, that's going to give you a really dull effect like the pinky nail that you see here. So when you do this method, it gives you that really nice drastic bright shiny chrome effect. By the way, this chrome powder is also purchased on Amazon. I've never had any issues with Amazon or chrome powder. It doesn't matter where you get it from. All that matters is the products that you use to adhere it. So wherever you can find it the cheapest, I say go for it. But I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. That links you to the one I purchased off Amazon. So now I'm going in with a regular gel polish. You can use at this point any gel polish you want, no wipe or regular. But I'm just going in topping off my nails. When you're doing that top coat, however, you want to make sure that you're being very precise and getting it only on the chrome powder, not really on like the sides of your nails, because it's going to be hard to remove any of the excess with gel on your hardened like skin. Don't be sloppy with it. You really want to make sure you get it precisely on there, because now we're going to go in with alcohol and a lint-free wipe and get off all the extra chrome powder and excess stuff. All right, so now we're going in with our ultra hydrating cuticle oil. It's very important that you invest in an ultra hydrating cuticle oil. And here's the final look. It's the very trendy nail look going on right now, but I absolutely love it. If you guys have had problems with chrome before, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll be sure to catch you in my next video. Bye.